When you were doing Whiteboard Fridays, it wasn't just about SEO. It wasn't just no follow versus do follow. It was like, here's how you should do social media marketing and how it affects everything else. Here's how you should do email marketing and little tricks that you can incorporate.
Yeah, man. I mean, I think that the the job of digital marketing is to be knowledgeable in a wide degree of pursuits and channels because I mean, you know as well as anyone, there is no such thing as, well, the only thing that matters is what I do on this one channel or in this one tactic. And I think, unfortunately, the SEO world, which I left, gosh, like 8 years ago now, 7 years ago, the SEO world does have a tendency to hyper focus on just, how high do I rank in Google and how much traffic am I getting from them, as opposed to thinking holistically about how every marketing channel and tactic interacts with every other one and builds a brand over time and influences each other, and all the knock-on effects. And I think that part of my job, right? If my goal is to help people do better marketing, well, I better help people do better marketing of all kinds.